Oh, hi guys. This Siren will come on today. This is come on Saturday at noon. Well, what time is it?
I don't know, buddy.
Can you look up? I'm almost looking up.
Yeah, you've got my phone.
Let's see. It is 11:56. Can I get out? It's storming, guys. So I'll go ahead and get out because I'm weird. We'll sit on the curb, guys. Now it's not gonna be loud, so I'll cover my ears up. It's raining a little bit, so it's waiting the sun to come on. It looks cloudy out, guys. So I don't care. So we are here at my school to wait this sun to come on. It's close to us. And it looks like what I made at home. It looks like. It'll come on soon. Guys. So, I'm waiting. Just teasing you guys. I bet 11:58. Guys, so I was just teasing you guys. It's just me. It's just Simon. It sounds not Simon. When the sun comes on, it'll sound like a tornado sign. I hear geese and ducks. I bet is. Hey, we're about to see the sun come on, guys. Guys, these sounds come on and there's kids. Guys. And when the sun come on. We did not send this sound come on before. So waiting. My dad could be coming anytime now. I could be here by now. But he's not. Or Simon. Guys. Oh, what time is it? It's 12 o'clock noon. Oh, it's 12 o'clock. Oh, there's Dad. He's right on time. He's right on time. He's right on time. That's right on time. What time is it? Oh. There he goes. There he goes, guys. There he goes. It's so loud. Guys, we're right on time. is off, everybody. This is an video. Like and subscribe. Bye.